This is the kokrajhar Bodoland cemetery, and this Bodoland cemetery is located in Kokrajhar district. And you can see here different types of flowers, sunflowers and lotus like flowers and flowers. You will get to see different types of flowers, and this garden is located in under the Kokrajhar district, and the name of this garden is Bodoland cemetery. This is the death of Sesisu. This is the very beautiful garden, and so many people are coming to visit in this beautiful garden. And you can see here different types of flowers like sunflower, sunflowers na biya. Gakhैलाय बाव बिसां गोथौ बिलाय होद गोथौ जाथारनोलै. This is the olden times statue. Wow. This garden is surrounded by the flowers and flowers. You can see here lots of flowers. This garden is very beautifully maintained by the headquarters of the Kokrajhar district, and this garden is located beside the Kokrajhar National Highway, and so many people are coming to see this beautiful garden, and so many people are coming to taking photo in this garden. You see guys, this is a sunflower. What a lovely. This flower is already blooming. I hope within few days it will be bloom very beautifully. Wow, what a beautiful. Wow, beautiful. See guys, this place is very beautiful. And if you want to visit in this place, you come and enjoy. Flowers and flowers. Wow, what a beautiful flowers. This is the main way of this garden. And this Bodoland cemetery garden is located near the Bodoland University. Wow, very beautiful. See here, so many people are coming to taking photo in this beautiful garden. And the name of this garden is Bodoland Cemetery Garden. What a lovely garden. If you want to see this garden and come and visit, wow, beautiful. This garden is located beside the Bodoland University, and the name of this garden is Bodoland Cemetery Garden. Don't forget to come in this beautiful garden. This is the Bodoland Cemetery, Debargaon, inaugurated by the Srimati Promila Brahmo, Honorable Prime Minister of the Assam Social Welfare and Social Conservation Department. You see here lots of flowers, like different flowers you will get to see beside this garden. And this garden is very beautifully decorated with the different types of flowers. Woo! Anyway guys,